वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावध आनी भलायकेन. So today I'm going to show you all how to fry this raw bananas and enjoy it like a fish fry. Okay, so I have taken this raw 2 bananas. You can take one according how many you want, and then we have to cut this. Then we need some rava, some dry amchur powder, and some masalas like coriander, turmeric powder and chili powder, and one lime and salt to taste. Okay, so let's start cutting this. First I will wash this nicely and then we will slice it. So now I will show you with skin. So we prefer with skin. And cut this like this. How fat, how thin the slice is up to each one. Thinner it is better, it fries nicely. Okay, now if somebody wants it like this also, then you can slice it in this way. Now for those who wants to peel off this, then you can peel like this. And then whichever way you feel like, that way you fry. Now we'll make our masala ready. So first thing we need lime juice. One whole lime juice. Then we'll add our amchur powder to this. So around 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. Amchur is mango powder. Then we need 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, Kashmiri, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 of coriander powder. Salt to taste. And then we'll mix this nicely. So this masala is to give a slight this, not like lot of masala you need. and then you apply this to all this. Marinate it nicely for long slices or small sizes, and we'll keep this for few minutes. So in Goa we say eat kyacho fodi. Like especially our most of the people, when they do not have non-veg or they are bored of non-veg, then this is the best substitute. No ginger garlic paste, just this masala what I have told. Apply it very nicely. Nicely it is all applied, and now we will leave this for few minutes and fry it, shallow fry. We'll coat this nicely in rava and then we'll fry this. So plain rava, now we'll coat this nicely. Fry this, shallow fry. So this, once you marinate this, and if you want to fry only few, you can fry, and remaining you can leave it in your fridge for next day. If you go anywhere in Goan spice farm and all, they will serve you this. जर तर तुम्ही केन्ना स्पायस फार्म विजीट करतात जाल्यार चड करून केळ्याच्यो फोडी, बटाट्याच्यो फोडी ते सर्व करतात. So how much you need you fry, okay? चलिए आता भाजून घेऊया. Let's go and fry this. I am using coconut oil. You can use normal oil. So my coconut oil is hot. Now we'll fry this. We won't overcrowd this. So let this fry now. After that we will flip flop it. So now we'll flip flop this. Simple and easy with very few ingredients. If you don't have coconut oil, use normal oil, sunflower oil. And here it is done. So we will remove this in our plate. And we will same way we can fry the other ones. See that the rava is fried nicely. And it's done. Hope you all will enjoy this. So can you guess this? This looks like exactly fish, right? So kyacho fodi rava laun bore bashin bazun khayat. Try this recipe and enjoy this raw banana rava fry. Thank you. Yeah, can you guess this what it is? Veg or non-veg? So this is veg, and it is without ginger garlic paste also. So it's purely veg for those people who do fasting also and who want to have something for dal rice as a side dish. So a substitute for fish, and this is it. Substitute for chicken, and this is it. Enjoy this raw banana rava fry.